Hi, I'm Dustin Williams here on behalf of ExpertVillage.com here at Callister's. And I got a scenario for you. Let's say you don't really wear Western boots or cowboy boots a lot. And you want something that, well, let's say it's comfortable, which is always a nice thing to have in a boot. Well, you know, there's a lot of companies out there, but the ones that I like to use and a lot of people like to use for style and comfort is these Ariats here. A lot of people swear by these boots. The comfort system, they're built on a Nike frame, and they use a carbon fiber shank, which is really nice. If you want to go, you know, they're kind of all around. If you want to stand around all day in your boots and not have to take them off, they're great for that. If you want to go from in and out of the house, snow, weather, rain, they're built for that, which makes it really nice for a real great starter boot, if that's what you're looking for, a nice crossover boot.